Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option and click on three dot option. Okay, scroll down and click on turn on professional mode. Just tap, click on turn on. Okay, just wait and click on next option, then tap on next and click on next, then tap on confirm. Okay, and next, click on next, skip, go to professional dashboard. Okay, then tap on your profile and check, then turn on professional mode on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.